Today I will talk to you about Peace Quilt. My name is Jadranka and this is a little project I work on. It is a peace quilt, a quilt of peace and of love. I got this flag in Madrid on one of my travels and I decided to sew small patches of rope on it, and these patches of rope represent love and peace from me. These patches come from my family members, from my friends, and also from fellow couch surfers. So let me just briefly talk to you about these patches. Here, at the top of Peace Quilt, there is a bracelet that was woven by my aunt Jadranka. I'm also Jadranka, so I got my name after her. And she made this bracelet in the time which was very difficult for her, and she made it to me and to her daughters and to other women members of our family to be a symbol of strength. Okay, let's go on. What else do we have? Here, another bracelet. This one is actually a Catholic bracelet, and it was given to me by my boyfriend's mother in an attempt to make me Catholic, but whatever. It's still a symbol of love. Going a bit down, there is a big peace sign. You can see it here. I made this peace sign myself from small patches of cloth I got from a shop in Sydney, BC. Moving a bit to the middle. Here there is a shoestring or a horseshoe to be exact, and this was a gift from my boyfriend. He bought that to me during a time which was really difficult for us, so it's kind of symbol of hope and of good luck. Then moving on, there is a tapestry from my grandmother. She had a big one at her home at Wall, and I used to spend hours and hours as a child watching as a bigger version from this picture. So when she decided to give me a smaller one, I was really happy, and I sewed it to my flag. What else do we have? Okay, let's go here. Here I have 3 bracelets. Well, these bracelets actually represent friendship between a small school in British Columbia, Canada, and another school in Lesotho, Africa. So those are 2 friendly schools and they help to each other. I actually bought these 3 bracelets on a Christmas fair, but I thought it would be a good contribution to my peace flag. Going on, this here is a patch from my grandfather's hat. He is father of my father and I never met him, but still I have his old hat and I sew a part of it on my flag. What else do we have here? Let me see. Okay. Going to the bottom, I have a contribution from a couch surfer named Emma. I don't know, can you see this? But it says cat sleeve paw prints on your heart. Emma was a really nice couch surfer. She comes from London. She's traveling around the world and waiting for her boyfriend to come from the army. And she is very helpful. She can do hypnosis, and she actually hypnotized me and my best friend Ivana to stop fearing some dreadful things. And there are just 2 more pieces left for now. Let me show you. Okay. Here is a napkin, and all these nice things around the napkin were woven by my other grandmother. And there is also a small flower, I think. Yes, it's here. A small flower that she wove on this. Her mother, my great-grandmother, had a school for sewing and woving, and my grandmother loves to do it. And one more part for now. It's a small medallion, and this is a gift from my friend Ivana, and I really like it. Thanks, Ivana. Thanks everybody. So if you would like to make a contribution to my peace quilt, I'm open to any ideas and messages of love and peace.